Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to Tari Setia English Channel. Today our lesson is about modals, and in this part we are discussing about advisability. And to remind you that in the first video we are discussing modals as ability, and then the first video on the first part we are discussing about permission, and this video we are discussing about this advisability. So, what is modalist advisability actually? In bahasa, we know that advisability means memberikan nasihat atau memberikan saran. And we use modals as advisability have should or ought to, and then had better and to be supposed to. So there are three modals that we can use to give advice or to give advice to someone. Should or ought to, had better, and then to be supposed to. So what is the difference between those? And let's take a look for the next. And the first model for advisability is the use of should and ought to. So we use should or ought to give advice or to tell someone what you think it is good or bad idea for him or her to do. Nah, jadi kita menggunakan should or ought to untuk memberikan nasihat kepada seseorang yang menurut kita itu baik untuk dilakukan. That is the difference between should and ought to. Jadi kita bisa menggunakan dua-duanya, tidak ada perbedaan penggunaan should and ought to. Jadi untuk memberikan saran atau nasihat kepada seseorang. An example is you should or ought to stop smoking. And you should go to school early or you ought to go to school early. Nah, jadi penggunaannya pertama tidak jelaskan untuk digunakan memberikan nasihat kepada seseorang bahwa yang dilakukan itu adalah baik atau buruk menurut kita. That is the first function of modals, should or to. And the second one is the use of had better. Kedua adalah penggunaan had better as giving advisability. And then take a look on this one. Had better often suggests a kind of threat or warning. Nah, yang kedua adalah had better is often used in situation when the speaker has more power or authority. Nah, maksudnya adalah had better ini digunakan untuk memberikan nasihat untuk seseorang yang lebih keras daripada should or ought to. Maksudnya lebih keras adalah kita tahu bahwa efek yang akan terjadi adalah hal buruk yang akan terjadi nantinya kalau nasihat kita itu yang kita berikan itu tidak dituruti oleh si orang tersebut. Jadi penekanannya lebih keras daripada should or ought to. That is for had better. Or biasanya digunakan untuk memberikan nasihat dari seseorang atasan kepada bawahan. That is for had better. An example is you had better stop smoking. Jadi atasan menasihati kepada bawahannya bahwa kamu harus berhenti merokok. Kalau enggak, berarti kan efek kesehatannya itu akan lebih buruk lagi. For example, you had better go to school early. Maksudnya ini dari orang tua atau dari gurunya memberikan nasihat ke siswanya atau ke anaknya. You had better go to school early. Kalau misalnya nggak berangkat lebih awal, pasti akan terjadi hal-hal buruk, misalnya akan macet, akan lebih banyak terlambatnya, mungkin seperti itu. So there is second function of had better. And there is the third one, the function of modals as advisability, and that is to be supposed to. And then to be supposed to is used to talk about what people are expected to do because of arrangement, the rule, or a duty. Nah, yang dimaksud ini adalah to be supposed to itu digunakan untuk menyatakan apa yang seharusnya dilakukan oleh seseorang karena adanya suatu peraturan atau kewajiban. That is for the function of to be supposed to. And the second one is to be supposed to is used to express a prohibition. Nah, ini biasanya digunakan untuk menyatakan suatu larangan. That is for the function of to be supposed to. An example is put a cigarette down. You are not supposed to smoke here. And then second one is John is on diet, so he is not supposed to eat ice cream. Nah, that is the two example of to be supposed to. Nah, jadi Anda yang pertama ya, Anda dilarang untuk merokok di sini karena sudah ada larangan merokok di pom bensin, maksudnya mungkin ya sudah ada tanda larangan dilarang merokok. Nah, karena ada tanda larangan tersebut, adanya rule tersebut, so we have to use to be supposed to. You are not supposed to smoke here. So that is the function of modals at advisability for the third function. And to remind you that there are three functions or there are three modals that we have to do, that we have to use when we use modals as advisability. The first one is as we can use should or ought to give advice and to give advice to someone. And the second one is we can use had better, and the third one is we can use to be supposed to. Jadi tahu ya perbedaannya ya ketiga hal tersebut, bagaimana kalau kita menggunakan should atau ought to, kemudian kapan kita menggunakan had better, dan kapan kita menggunakan to be supposed to. So this was explanation about modal as advisability, and then there's a time for you to take exercises. And there is time to you to get practice, and there are 5 statements, and you have to choose one of the sentence in the bracket about modals. An example is, your daughter doesn't look very well. You don't think she should go to school today. And you say, you should not or you had better go to school today. And we can choose, you had better not. Nah, ini ada statementnya ya. Your daughter doesn't look very well. Anak Anda kelihatan tidak sehat hari ini. You don't think she should go to school today. Nah, kita diberikan pilihan memilih you should not or you had better not. Nah, karena ini adalah urgent, sangat penting dilakukan, maka kita menggunakan you had better. And the first one is I can't sleep at night. Kemudian statement yang B, you had better or you should see the doctor about that. It is urgent. Nah, kita menggunakan apa nih? Menggunakan had better atau should untuk memilih satu di antara dua ini. Nah, kita lihat kata kuncinya di sini, to see the doctor about that. It is urgent. Ya, ini urgent. Berarti ada sesuatu yang penting untuk dilakukan. Nah, karena ini penting dilakukan, pasti kita tahu efeknya kalau tidak dilakukan pasti akan ada hal-hal yang buruk yang akan terjadi. So, we can use you had better. You had better see the doctor about that. So, the answer is had better. And number 2 is, you should or had better submit your report. If you don't, you will be in trouble. Nah, kita ada dua pilihan lagi sama seperti di nomor sebelumnya. Kita memilih should atau memilih had better. Nah, kata kuncinya ini ada satu yang menyatakan bahwa if you don't, you will be in trouble. Nah, kalau kamu tidak mau mengumpulkan report kamu akan dalam trouble. Berarti kan ini ada sesuatu yang urgent, ada sesuatu yang penting. Nah, so we can or we should use, kita sebaiknya menggunakan had better. So the answer is had better. And number 3, you had better or you should look good for your interview. If you want to get a job, Nah, ini juga ya situasinya hampir sama dengan nomor 1 dan 2. Kalau kamu seharusnya kelihatan bagus pada saat interview. Kalau tidak, nah pasti akan kehilangan interviewnya, kehilangan pekerjaan. If you want to get a job, kalau kamu ingin mendapatkan pekerjaan itu, kamu harus terlihat, kamu sebaiknya terlihat bagus pada saat wawancara. Nah, ini kan hal yang penting ya. Nah, jadi kita gunakan head better. Jadi kita memilih dengan head better atau yang pertama. You had better look good for your interview if you want to get the job. Okay, and number 4, you think your son works too hard. Kamu berpikir bahwa anak Anda bekerja terlalu keras, terlalu rajin ya. You tell him, kemudian Anda memberikan nasihat ke anak-anak tersebut. You ought to not to, or you are supposed to work so hard. Nah, kita menggunakannya apa? Menggunakan ought to atau you are supposed to. Nah, sebaiknya kita menggunakan you ought not to work so hard. Nah, jawabannya yang 4. And for number 5, you are late. You had better or ought to in hurry. Nah, kita gunakan you are late. Kamu datang terlambat. Jadi kamu sebaiknya cepat-cepat untuk pergi, cepat-cepat untuk berangkat karena terlambat. So we can use the had better again. Ya, kebetulan ya hampir semua contoh di sini menggunakan had better. So students, that is all our explanation about modals and advisability. Then the point is we can use had better and we can use should or ought to and we can use to be supposed to. Kita bisa menggunakan ketiga modal tadi ya. Okay, that is for our discussion today, and hopefully it will help you to learn about modals. And see you for the next video, and have a nice day and have a good day. See you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.